This is the medieval city of Locronan in Brittany. Famous for its beauty and its beautiful buildings. Let's go and have a look. I think a lot of the buildings have been transformed into very nice boutique-y type shops, which is very nice. There's the church up there. This is the main town square. It's absolutely beautiful. The buildings are gorgeous. Look at this little street. Look at the beautiful flowers as well. I've got a little map that I'm following. It's also getting quite busy. I think if you want to come and see this place, you need to come early. They're not exactly straight walls, are they? Let's go and have a look in the church, the Église St. Ronan. Reflections through the windows, the colours. It's beautiful, look at that. Just caught it at the right time for the sun coming through. And that was our little visit to Locronan. Back to the van. van's literally a 10-15 minute walk from the town, so it's a really good campsite if you want to visit the village of Locronan. Go to Locronan campsite. Town is walkable.